Hello buddy, it is TJG Etika. In this video, we tried to play the new Door Mayhem map, but it failed, so we played an Endless Office instead. So I hope you enjoy. Yeah. Oh dude, what's up? What's up? Let's go. And that green one. Green door. What is this?
Hot dog.
I'm gonna jump down. I'm gonna jump down. Ooh, parkour.
Whoa.
There's some
wait, what is this? Wait, hold on, let me try to sit down here.
Oh man. Okay.
Nope, I'm not doing that. I'm scared. Parkour! Parkour!
Bro, I hate this parkour.
Wait.
Why is it so...
Is that supposed to be a door? What are we supposed to do?
I'm doing parkour. Oh, we're supposed to run from that.
Oh my gosh! It is coming quick!
No, I'm cooked. Nope, I'm dead. Let's go in this red one.
Bye.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no. What is this?
Bro, it's...
He comes. I made it.
Bro, I did it. Where are you?
Dude, why are we always in separate rooms?
Okay, just go to the one next to the red door that's blue. Oh, is it the blue door?
I'm in the blue door.
Bro, I am too. Oh, dude, I'm going back. I'm going.
What?
Dude, mine's lasers. Dude, I just beat it. Just...
Two, one, go.
Bro! I'm going this orange one. Ooh, this is like parkour above lava. Is this the entire door? So we're done. We go in this orange one? It's just stairs. Bro, I got to run the stairs. No, this is just the back rooms. I did it.
I know what you went inside.
This one's... Oh, this is the same door. Mario. Oh. Come on. Alright, let's hope this makes sense. Bro, I'm so laggy. Alright. Hit the flashlights. We should do this one.
Oh yeah, I forgot we had all this.
Yeah.
I forgot we had all this.
You know this is
Wait,
free.
what was our heart? What was our heart?
It was the
What's
speed one. It was the
Speed.
speed one. It was the speed.
Heart or speed? Yeah. Big guys, I don't have that one. I don't have
It's
that
free. Oh,
Yeah.
man, you poor.
Yeah. I am
My friends recording the video.
Bro, it is so laggy.
Yeah. Who's that?
Like,
Bro, bird.
so we just started hanging out.
Come on.
Oh, battery.
Guys,
Alright,
so
go.
Wait,
Alright, remember.
dude, it won't let me get. Okay, I got. Room 3. Where's the bird?
We're full.
Bro, where's the bird?
Let's go.
Oh, he's right there. Wait.
It has to be this way. No, it's not. This way. Turn.
Oh,
Go.
Hide.
Get in.
Come on.
Go.
Don't get
No clocks.
Oh, dude, I hear him. Bro, where?
Yeah.
We can't, bro. Just go.
Under the table.
Oh, yeah.
Under the table.
Under the table.
Oh yeah. Hard speed. This is W.
Let's go. Bird. Alright, let's go.
Alright, oh yeah. Clock.
How do you... Right, okay.
Go. Hit it.
Dude, it's here.
Go. Hide. No, right here.
Guys, come on. Bro, it's back. Bro, I can't move.
Under the table.
I'm going up here. Oh no, dude,
I think
we're
he
good.
died.
Oh, dude,
Alright,
he's
let's go.
hiding.
Come on. No. Wait,
This
is there
way.
anything?
Oh, dude, it's here.
Go. He's back. No, I won't let me hide. My flashlight's off.
Lights off. And that light on.
Wait, how long has it been?
Lights off. Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, remember
Remember this one.
Guys, your eyes, okay? Bro, you just cooked yourself. Okay, guys, we're good.
I'm not dead, see?
Hold up, wait.
I'm smart.
Alright, it's on.
No, we're big chilling.
Yeah,
Where's Bert? Okay, he's over there.
It's not tilted.
Oh yeah, tilted. We're good.
sure.
Alright, guys.
Not tilted. But there just is a battery right here. So we can go.
Bro. Hide. We go.
Maybe. Oh, no, hide.
Dude, I'm fine.
Hide.
Bro, I'm fine. Alright,
No, on my screen the things come. Wait.
bro, he's tripping right now, bro.
No, last time you were tripping.
You know, just keep. Wait, nice.
No, last time you were tripping too.
Nah.
There was no monster.
Where is he?
Dude, I'm scared for tilted
I am in
one,
love with the monster.
It's not tilted, we're fine.
No tilted yet.
Don't look away.
Don't look away.
Just.
Where's he? Hey,
No,
dude.
you got a problem?
Yeah.
You got a problem?
Okay.
You got a problem?
I looked away.
Guys, it's not tilted.
Alright.
Dude,
Why are none of these
Tell
doors
us.
tilted? I'm fine with that, but like. Alright. Oh, no, he's coming. Hi.
Oh no, we're good now.
Legend.
Oh, dude, what's up, bro? Dude.
You got a problem?
Oh, dude, he's coming.
Guys, I guess Legend's...
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Wait, where's
Wait,
the
it's
door?
up.
Where's the
It's
door?
up here, bro. It's up.
It's up. Dang it. Oh,
Yeah. Oh, dude, what's up, bro?
you got a
So, how was your
You got a
day?
problem?
Oh, dude, we're good. Dude, it's tilted, bro. Look away.
Alright.
Dude, what's up? Dude, what's up? Okay.
You got a problem?
Oh, dude.
Alright.
Dude, it's a peaceful one.
This one's gonna be peaceful
Yeah, this
too.
one's also peaceful.
Yeah, they're all peaceful right now.
Listen. Oh yeah,
listen.
the weird one. Yeah, hide.
Yeah.
We're good. I need to find a watch, bro. Or some
We need to actually find a watch.
Oh, dude.
Oh my gosh. A watch.
Bro, ain't no way.
Hey,
We're good.
we need to find a watch.
We're good.
Yeah. No, we're good.
Oh, dude, it's tilted.
I'm tilted. Hold up. Wait. Let me get set. Good.
Alright, we're good. I don't know if it's... Dude,
Let
this
me
one's
look
also
around.
tilted.
Oh shoot. Let me get set. Alright, I'm ready.
Bro's shy. Under the table.
Go. Under the table.
Alright, we're good.
Did you end the video?
No. Alright, dude. Oh, dude, it's weird. Hide. Dude, the fridge.
It's weird.
Dude, the fridge.
Hide
The fridge.
under the table.
The fridge. That was way too
Oh my
close.
gosh.
Alright, go.
Alright, let's go.
Dude, what's up? So, how was your day?
What's up, man? What's up?
Dude, it's tilted.
Oh, it's
Wait, hold
tilted.
about to check.
It's tilted.
There's nothing down here. Are we good? Oh, dude, what's up?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Alright.
We gotta hurry. We actually gotta hurry.
Yeah.
Dude, we need a stopwatch quick.
Dude, it
No,
sounded funky.
Hide. Dude, no!
No, we're cooked. We're so cooked.
No!
Oh my goodness! Oh, bro, okay. Dude. No. Doug, I'm gonna keep watching. Doug, just keep going. You're good. You're good.
Dude, I
Go,
need...
go. Oh, dude, look. Oh, dude, it's tilted. What is that
It
music?
says my timer's up. Cause my timer's up.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, wait, what? Timer!
just in time, bro.
It's so dark in here.
Bro, what is that thing?
I can't see.
Bro, what is that thing?
I'm dying.
Bro, what is that thing?
I can't see. Can you show me where the door is?
The other side, bro. Bro, what is this thing? If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day, and goodbye.